we looked at a lot of, we felt like this one was more like home. And thus far, that's proven to be true. The staff is very nurturing. I feel very comfortable with her being here. And as far as we're concerned, that's where it'll stay.
Well, Miss Jean, when your husband comes to see you, do you ever get excited?
Of course I do. Yes, I'm just like, yay.
I love it. I
love him so much, and I hardly ever get to see him. So I'm so glad he has this opportunity to come.